Racing for the 2008 Philracom Diamond 1 just started. We have Don Enrico, very quickly at the start. Love Stories running by the roll, Shining Pave, Frying Ice comes next, then followed over by Euromax, while Frame Zone is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Don Enrico by about 3 lengths. Love Story in second, moving up by the rail is entry number 4. And this one is Euromax. Shining Fame comes next. Frying Ice, while Frame Zone is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Don Enrico, this time by about 5 lengths. Shining Fame in second. Euromax is running by the rail. Love Story comes next. Frying Ice, while Frame Zone is still running at the tail of the field. We have Don Enrico by about 4 lengths. Getting closer in second is Shining Fame. Love Story is on the outside third. Euromax comes next, then followed over by Frying Ice, while Frame Zone is still running at the tail of the field. Time is running out as the competition now reached the part turn. It's still Don Enrico by about 2 lengths. Shining Fame still in second. Love Stories down into the as they swing for home. We have Don Enrico this time by about 3 lengths. Shining Fame still in second with about 100 meters up the race. We have Don Enrico followed by Shining Fame in second, and finally it's Don Enrico, Shining Fame. Then comes Love Story, Euromax, Frame Zone, and Frying Ice.
Yun na nga. Don Enrico ang nagwagi dito sa ating 2008 Philracom Diamond 1 Stakes. At,
ay, naku.
Ano?
1.40.
Nako.
Ang tinapos over 1,600 meters with quarters of 25, 24 and a half, another 24 and a half, and still finishing at 26. Talagang puntong-punto.
Yung pa rin talaga